Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check your RAM on a Google Pixel device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, locate and tap the gear icon on your device to open up your settings. This is typically found in your app drawer or by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping the settings icon. Once you're in, you'll see a list of various options related to your phone's configuration and features. Now, scroll down through the settings menu until you find the option labeled About Phone and tap on it. This section contains important information about your device, including its model, software version, and other technical details. It's also where you'll unlock a special feature that most users don't know about. Within the About Phone section, look for Build Number and tap it 7 times in succession. You might see a notification appear after a few taps telling you that you're a certain number of steps away from becoming a developer. Keep tapping until you see a message confirming that developer mode has been enabled. This unlocks advanced options that aren't normally visible to regular users and gives you access to deeper system settings and diagnostics. Once you've enabled developer mode, go back to the main settings menu. You'll need to navigate to the system option, so scroll down until you find it and tap on it. This section contains system-level settings and configurations that affect how your device operates. Inside the system menu, you'll now see a new option called Developer Options that wasn't there before. Find it and tap on it to access the developer settings. This menu contains a wide range of advanced features and diagnostic tools designed for developers and power users who want more control over their device. Within the developer options, scroll down until you find the option labeled Memory and tap on it. This is where you'll be able to view detailed information about your device's RAM usage and performance. It's a powerful tool for understanding how your phone is managing its resources. Before you can view your RAM statistics, make sure the toggle button for Enable Memory Usage Profiling is turned on. If it's off, simply tap the toggle to activate it. This feature allows your device to track and display detailed memory usage information. And there you have it. You can now see and check your RAM usage right here on your Google Pixel. You'll be able to monitor which apps are consuming the most memory and how your device is performing overall. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.